Hi guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today we have a new job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. The important part of this job update is that this job will be a permanent work from home job. It means you can start and you can continue your day-to-day work from your home location only. No need to visit any location. Also, this job is for the freshers graduate and any graduate can apply for this role. So, if you want to get all the details regarding the job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video. In this video, I will explain how you can apply for this job and how you can get the call from the HR team. So, please stay tuned with the video and check all the detailed parts so that you can prepare your resume, you can apply for this job and you can easily clear this work from home job. So now, without wasting any time, let's jump into the screen and let's discuss about the job. Hi guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new job update from Cuckoo FM. The job role is Customer Delight Associate. It will be a complete work from home based role and it will be a contract based role. Let's discuss about the job description, and if you have completed your graduation you can apply for this opportunity. So in job description they have provided all the details about the job, and in key responsibilities they have mentioned what you have to do in your day-to-day role. So mainly you have to communicate with the customers of Cuckoo FM and you need to solve their query, and it will be maintenance management life cycle. So they have mentioned some details about it, and if you have any CRM experience or CRM tool experience then it will be a plus for you. Also, if you know how to create effective reports then it will be also helpful for you to get this job. In requirements they have mentioned excellent communication skills, both verbal and written, proficiency in English, Hindi, Malayalam, team oriented with collaborative mindset, comfortable with a blended process, strong problem solving skills and ability to think on your feet, ability to manage time, basic computer skills, familiarity with CRM, ability to handle types of users. Working type they have mentioned remote, and employment type they have clearly mentioned contract. So they have not mentioned the duration, but I think after interview if you got placed they will tell you what will be your work duration. But as it is a work from home based role, I will recommend you, if you are a fresher, you can start your career. You can earn up to 4 lakh per annum in this role, and also if you are doing masters still you can apply for this role. That's all about the job update. If you are interested you can apply from this page only. So how to apply for this role? First you need to check the description area of this video and you will find the application link, and after that you just need to click on the apply button. To get the application form you can attach your resume and apply accordingly, and if there is any doubt, any query, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe the channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching, take care and bye. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.